We will be frying heart and liver today. I am pouring 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, and I have set the heat to medium. I cut 1 lamb's heart in small chops. Now I am adding it to the pan. After sautéing it for a minute or two, I am adding half a kilogram of finely chopped lamb's liver to the same pan. I am also frying it for a minute, and then I put the lid on. I am stirring it from time to time and putting the lid back on again. It needs to fry like this for 3 more minutes. I am adding 3 long green peppers to the pan now. You can alternatively use 1 chopped green bell pepper. It needs to keep frying on medium heat. Let's sprinkle some salt over it and keep stirring it. I am placing its lid back on again for a minute, and then I remove it. The liver has cooked for 25 minutes, so I am turning off the heat now. Let's mix 1 finely chopped onion with some finely chopped parsley in a small mixing bowl. Make sure to rinse the onion after chopping it. I am sprinkling some salt over it and it's ready. It makes a great side to the sautéed liver. You can also make this a liver sandwich using the same onion and parsley mix. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like our videos.